Most people don't even know their car has a cabin air filter, let alone that they should replace it every 15,000 to 25,000 miles. If your vents smell funky or your defroster suddenly sucks, this is probably why. The Honda Civic 2018 hides its cabin air filter in a place so boring it feels like it was designed by a person on a lifelong mission to make simple things more annoying. It sits right behind your glove box. Super intuitive, right? First, open the glove box and empty it out. Not just the gum wrappers and napkins. You need all of it gone. And yes, I realize that involves confronting the 6 expired insurance cards you keep shoved in there. Now look for the 2 plastic stoppers on each side of the glove box. You'll need to gently squeeze the sides of the glove box inward to unhook them. It feels like you're breaking something, but you're not. Well, hopefully. Once the glove box drops down, you'll see a rectangular panel with clips. That's your cabin filter housing. Flip the clips open with your fingers. If you're using tools here, you've already gone too far. Carefully slide out the old filter. It might be full of leaves, dust, and enough pine needles to build a squirrel bunker. But that's the point. You're making sure all that junk doesn't go into your lungs. Common mistake? People forget the airflow direction. There's usually an arrow on the filter. Pay attention to it. Air flows from top to bottom. Ignore this and your filter might still work, just poorly and with daily passive aggression. Slide the new filter in exactly the way the old one came out, arrows and all. It should fit snug but not tight. If you're cramming it in like it's a checked bag before a flight, you're doing it wrong. Snap the cabin filter cover back into place. Then lift and rehook the glove box sides so it rests in its normal place. It might fight you going back in like a toddler refusing bedtime, but push evenly and it'll click. This whole process takes under 10 minutes, and a replacement filter costs about $15 to $30. Compare that to paying a dealer $80+ for the same job. It's practically free money just waiting to be saved. Pro tip, get a carbon-activated filter. It handles not just dust and pollen, but also funky smells. Especially helpful if, let's just say you occasionally eat drive-thru in the car and let the wrappers chill a little too long. And yeah, living here in Portland with the rainy months and that constant wet tree smell, changing the filter every year is a must. Unless, of course, you enjoy your car smelling like a damp hiking boot.